Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Waffit Watch S10. And on this video, we are going to explore the world of watch faces for our wearable. So the smartwatch is using the Waffit application, and we have a section here for watch faces. And as you can see here, it's also preloaded with watch face. On this video, we will explore all of the features for watch faces. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces and additional features for the wearable, watch this video, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the Waffit Watch S10. As you can see here, it's already preloaded with several watch faces. So let's check it out. Let's count. Let's start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have at least 6 watch faces. Some of the watch face here do have a feature. It is a dynamic watch faces, and it is not just a static watch face. For example, this one, if you're going to tap on this icon, it is a shortcut for the Bluetooth call. With this one, for the heart rate. Okay, very cool feature for smartwatch. With this, for the sports functions. And this one for the daily activity tracking, as well as the sleep monitoring. Okay, so let's go with the watch face section here. We have a watch face market. So we have this one. This is the dynamic. I think this one. Let's see. Okay, so I'm choosing this one. We're downloading a sample watch face. We hope this is a dynamic watch face. So it is a grid type. Let's see. No, it's still a fixed or static watch face. I think we only have one more. We only have one. I think this is the only one. Is it the same with this one? Okay, it is a different style, almost the same but different. Let's try. So we have a lot of options for the watch face here. Let's check first the dynamic watch face. Okay, so this one is working. This is the additional one. We have a music control here. So this one is much better compared to the previous watch face. Okay, we already have at least 2 dynamic watch face, although they almost have the same look, I think. Here's the other one. And let's explore the list of watch faces here. So we have recently updated. Let's wait for the watch face to load. Seems it's a bit slow. Again, if not, we'll explore other options here. Simple and modern. Then we have business dial. It's not loading. Okay, only 3. Cute cartoon, only 1. I think there's more option here in the recently updated. Let's check. So we have the list of different watch faces here. Okay, still limited. Okay, so that is disappointing, although we do have several good looking watch faces, but the number of watch faces is limited for our Watch S10. Album watch faces. So this is a custom watch face. So we can upload. Let's upload one. Let's go with our photos. Then, no, not this one. Let's have this. And check. Okay. Let's crop. So we have here a preview of the watch face. Adjust the time. Okay, that's it. Will not change the color. And synchronize dial. And as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. I think it is very easy to use watch face feature for our smartwatch. Although the number of watch faces is limited for our Watch S10, but as you can see, very easy to use, very easy to upload or download a watch face for your smartwatch, and very stable so far. And we have here our custom wallpaper or custom watch face. Nice. Okay. So that's the feature or the section for our watch face for the Waffit Watch S10. And as you notice, it takes time to load the watch faces. I hope they add more dynamic watch faces for this wearable. So that's it for our demo for the watch face market for the Huafit Watch S10, as well as the custom wallpaper. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.